God damn it. There's just no hope left. There's no sound left in the world. It's the lowest sound levels we recorded in decades.
I wouldn't give up just yet, James. Because there's one place where sound always prevails.
Well, clearly you don't mean...
That's exactly what I mean.
Through the mist of the far northwest of Jutland, where the Bay of Venu flows into the Limfjord, there's a place where the people refuse to be silent, and a place where they refuse to give up, to give up, to give up. Oh, mighty town, my town of sound, I believe that life comes around.
If we have sound, these difficult times must turn around. That's what we're trying to do in the city of sound. Every man, woman, child and hound are working together towards higher ground. This is sound number one. Let's never give up the fun. You may never throw in the towel. And oh my god, I think that's an owl. This is sound number two. It goes hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. If you want your life to continue as it is, support your local, cause they are the total. You gotta keep making your sound, a sound that's bound to astound. It doesn't really matter what sound it is, just listen now and check it out. Ding, dang, ticka, ticka, bang, bang. That's a pretty cool sound. Scooby doop 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 doop. Wow! That's a little bit weird. I got your Mona. In case you don't know, that's a Michael Jackson sound. Trumpet. Now bring that awesome sound. DJ now, turn it up. DJ now, turn it up, don't stop. DJ now, break it down with that awesome Scotty sound. DJ now, turn it up. DJ now, turn it up, don't stop. DJ now, break it down with that awesome Scotty sound. Hey. Turn it up, it's the sound of hope, yeah. This is so awesome, I just beat my pants. Turn it up, it's the sound of hope.